Welcome to the best picks. The best dog ramp is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for pet owners whose furry friends struggle with mobility, whether due to age, injury, or breed-specific challenges, as it provides a safe and accessible way for them to reach their favorite spots on the couch or bed without putting strain on their joints or your back, ultimately enhancing their independence and quality of life while giving you peace of mind. Number 5. PetSafe CozyUp Folding Dog Stairs. Help your furry friend reach their favorite spots with ease. These portable stairs allow them to climb onto beds, couches, or into cars independently. Designed with safety in mind, these steps feature non-slip feet and secure treads. They provide a stable and reliable way for your pet to ascend. When not in use, these stairs fold down flat for convenient storage. Their lightweight design makes them easy to take anywhere you and your pet go. Whether small or large, these sturdy stairs can support pets up to 200 pounds. They are a great solution for pets with mobility challenges. From mobility aids to training tools, we are dedicated to creating a happy, healthy, and safe environment for your pets. Trust us to provide quality products for your beloved companions. What we like. This product offers a portable and foldable design, making it easy to take anywhere. Its sturdy steps provide a reliable way for your pet to reach their favorite spots. If you frequently travel with your pet or need a solution that can be easily stored, this is a great choice. What people say. The ramp is very sturdy and well made. It doesn't wobble or feel flimsy at all. My dog, who is 12 years old and has arthritis, can now get on the couch by herself without any help. This ramp has made a huge difference for her mobility. The ramp is surprisingly lightweight and easy to move around. I can reposition it without any effort. Number 4. PetSafe CozyUp Wooden Bed Ramp. Help your furry friend reach their favorite spots with ease. This ramp provides a safe and simple way for them to climb onto furniture like beds and couches. Its sturdy construction and high-traction carpet surface ensure a non-slip grip. This makes it perfect for pets of all sizes, supporting up to 120 pounds. Available in attractive wood finishes, it seamlessly enhances your bedroom decor. It's a practical solution that doesn't compromise on style. We offer a range of products designed to assist pets with mobility challenges. Find solutions like ramps and harnesses to help them navigate their world. Since 1998, we've been dedicated to creating products that promote pet happiness and safety. Our US-based customer care is here to support you. Discover our complete collection of pet essentials, from leashes and harnesses to feeders and toys. We have everything to enrich your pet's life. What we like. This offers a stylish wooden design that complements your home decor. The high-traction carpet surface ensures your pet can climb safely and comfortably. If you're looking for a ramp that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, this is the one for you. What people say. The ramp is very sturdy and my dog can easily walk up and down it. It's a great size for my small dog and doesn't take up too much space. The non-slip surface is a nice feature and gives my dog good traction. Number 3. PetSafe CozyUp Wooden Couch Ramp. Give your furry friend the freedom to reach their favorite spots. This ramp makes it easy for them to get on and off the couch or bed independently. Its sturdy yet lightweight design supports pets up to 100 pounds. The high-traction carpet surface ensures a secure grip every time they use it. Crafted with a furniture-grade espresso finish, it seamlessly blends with your home decor. Safety tested for durability and provides a non-slip surface. This ramp is part of a wider range of mobility solutions designed to help your senior pet navigate their world with ease. Since 1998, we've been dedicated to creating happy, healthy, and safe environments for pets. Trust us to provide the best for your companion. Discover our full selection of innovative products, from leashes and harnesses to feeders and toys, all designed to enhance your pet's life. What we like. This product features a compact and stylish wooden design, perfect for smaller spaces. It provides a safe and easy way for your pet to access furniture. If you have limited space but still want a durable and attractive ramp, consider this option. What people say. This ramp is a lifesaver for my senior dog who has trouble jumping onto the couch. The ramp is sturdy and well made, and my dog took to it immediately. It's also very lightweight and easy to move around, which is a big plus. Number 2. PRIORPET Birchwood Adjustable Dog Ramp. Introducing our furniture-grade dog ramp, crafted from beautiful birchwood. It's designed to be both sturdy and stylish, blending seamlessly with your home decor. Easily adjust the height across 7 levels, from 12 to 37 inches, to create the perfect gentle slope for your pet. When not in use, it folds compactly for convenient storage. The anti-slip surface provides superior traction, ensuring a safe climb for your furry friend. This makes it ideal for even the highest beds. Engineered with safety in mind, it features a gentle incline, safety rails, and an anchor rope for stability. It comfortably supports dogs up to 120 pounds. This ramp comes fully assembled and ready for use, with a helpful training guide included. It's a practical and elegant solution for your pet to access high beds. What we like. This ramp boasts adjustable height settings and a rubber anti-slip surface for maximum safety. The addition of safety rails provides extra guidance for your pet. If you have high beds or a pet that needs a bit more security while climbing, this ramp is an excellent solution. What people say. The ramp is very sturdy and well made, providing a stable surface for my dog to walk on. The non-slip surface ensures my dog feels secure and confident when using the ramp. It's lightweight and easy to move around the house, which is convenient for different areas. Number 1. Woohoo Dog Ramp, Innovative Non-Slip Mat. Tired of your furry friend struggling to get on the couch or bed? Our innovative ramp features a unique, high-traction rubber surface with added ridges, providing superior grip and preventing slips. Crafted from solid, sustainable wood, this ramp is designed for long-lasting use. It helps protect your dog's joints, allowing them to reach higher places with significantly less stress. With 6 adjustable height settings, ranging from 14 to 24 inches, you can create the perfect gradual incline for your pet. It's ideal for SUVs, beds, couches, and various other furniture. When not in use, it easily folds flat for convenient storage. The integrated handle and side lock make it simple to carry wherever you and your pet go. No assembly required. This ramp arrives fully assembled and ready to use straight out of the box, so your pet can enjoy easier access right away. What we like. This ramp offers an innovative non-slip rubber mat and adjustable height settings for a customized climb. It's also collapsible for easy storage and transport. If you need a versatile ramp that can adapt to different furniture heights and is easy to put away, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This ramp is perfect for my 10-year-old dog who has arthritis. It's sturdy and doesn't wobble. The ramp is wide enough for my large dog to comfortably walk up and down. The carpeted surface provides good traction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.